Welcome to MyCUI. Now that you've set up your profile and privacy settings, let's take a quick look at the main menu. On the top left, you'll see your activity feed, dashboard, announcements, discover, and events. Every time you log into MyCUI, the dashboard will be your main landing page. On the dashboard, you'll have access to different widgets, such as the email widget, to preview your most recent emails. To open an email, you can click on it individually and click on Open Email, or click on See All Emails. In addition to your Eagles email, you can view your most recent documents in your Drive. The Course Schedule widget gives you the opportunity to view your class times, location, as well as the ability to contact your instructor. The Events widget will show you upcoming events and activities on campus. If you don't see all events on campus, make sure you subscribe to the specific events calendar by clicking on the gear icon and selecting the calendar. And there you have it. The Blackboard widget takes you directly to your Blackboard shell without having to log in or remembering another URL. The Academic Profile widget will list your current GPA, major, emphasis, and academic advisor. Just like the Course Schedule widget, you can email your advisor by clicking on his or her name. The Balance is Due widget shows your current balance and gives you the option to pay your balance without having to log in again. If you have any questions about your balance, make sure you email bursar@cui.edu or give them a call at 949-214-3075. Other available widgets are the cafeteria menu, on-campus jobs, and our CUI Twitter feed. To refresh any widget, all you have to do is click on the refresh button on the top right. The activity feed shows updates and messages from your subscribed groups. Announcements are useful for any important university notifications, alerts, and emergencies. Clicking on the Discover tab will show you groups that you're not a member of yet. You can filter what you see by clicking on the down arrow here and selecting the type. You can also discover events and people as well. Events is another way to view events and activities on campus by day. To subscribe to other calendars, you can click on the gear button again on the top right. For any other questions, feel free to contact its@cui.edu. Thanks for joining us.